Do you know pork has a fillet? Ama unajua tu fish fillet. This is me a few months back before knowing that pork has a fillet, and it's actually super tasty and very soft. And this is how I prepare mine for my family and my friends. But first, you have to get the right quality and quantity. Personally, I choose Farmer's Choice kwa sababu wako na pork safi, which equals to life safi. These are the ingredients that I use to prepare it: lemon juice, honey, mustard, soy sauce, paprika, salt, black pepper, fresh raw garlic, vinegar and water, and then mix very well. First, you have to pat your pork fillet dry for maximum hold before adding your spices. I used paprika, salt and black pepper, and then rub it in kabisa hadi ingiane. Then do this on the other side and let it rest for like 5 minutes. On a clean pan, add a little oil to cook it in and brown it. We need the fillet to be crusty on the outside and very tender in the inside. This process will take you 10 minutes. Keep turning to get the golden brown on all sides. Clean the same pan, add your pork fillet and pour your sauce. The next step is to put it in the oven, and please keep on checking and glazing with the sauce. Kindly don't use a pan with plastic handles because your pan will melt and it may cause fire hazards. While waiting for the pork fillet to cook, I made myself some fries to accompany the fillet. Once the pork is fully cooked, remove it from the oven and allow it to rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. Resting is important because it allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, giving you a more flavorful and tender result. Now it's the time for the best part. Slice your pork fillet into small pieces and look at that beautiful juicy interior. Oh my goodness. The outside is slightly browned while the inside remains tender. I served mine with fries, and this oven-baked pork fillet is perfect for family dinners, meal preparations, or even special occasions. Have you ever made a pork fillet, and what did you serve it with? Now it's time to plate. I arranged the sliced pork fillet alongside the crispy fries, creating a simple but attractive presentation. To finish the dish, I sprinkled some sesame seeds over the pork, and look at that. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. The sesame seeds usually adds a light, nutty flavor, a pleasant texture, and a beautiful finishing touch to elevate the presentation. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more delicious cooking ideas. See you on the next recipe. Bye.